If you look at this math expression, 6 minus 3 times 6 minus 2, and your brain instantly tells you the answer is 16. Stop right there. You've just fallen into one of the most common mathematical traps on the internet. Today, we're breaking down why so many people get simple order of operations questions wrong and how to make sure you solve it the right way every single time. Let's look at how most people approach this problem when they make a mistake. They start at the very beginning and simply read the equation like a line of text in a book, moving strictly from left to right. First, they take 6 minus 3, which equals 3. Next, they take that 3 and multiply it by 6, which gives them 18. Finally, they take 18 and subtract 2, which leaves them with 16. It feels smooth, it feels natural, and it feels completely logical. But in the world of mathematics, reading left to right without applying the correct rules will get you the wrong answer every single time. To solve this correctly, we have to follow the fundamental rule of arithmetic, the order of operations, often remembered by the acronym PEMDAS or BODMAS. PEMDAS stands for P, parentheses, E, exponents, M and D, multiplication and division, solve from left to right. A and S, addition and subtraction, solve from left to right. The most critical part of this rule that trips people up is priority hierarchy. Multiplication and division always take priority over addition and subtraction. It doesn't matter if multiplication is at the beginning, the middle, or the end of an equation. You must perform all multiplication and division before you touch any addition or subtraction. Now, let's apply PEMDAS to our original expression. 6 minus 3 times 6 minus 2. Step 1. Isolate the multiplication. Looking at the equation, we have a multiplication in the middle, 3 times 6. Because multiplication has higher priority than subtraction, we must calculate this first. 3 times 6 equals 18. Now we substitute 18 back into our equation. 6 minus 18 minus 2. Step 2. Solve the subtraction from left to right. Now that we only have subtraction left, we simply work from left to right. First, 6 minus 18 equals negative 12. Next, negative 12 minus 2 equals negative 14. So, the true mathematically correct answer is negative 14. Now that you know the secret, let's see if you can solve this next problem without making a mistake. 10 minus 2 times 5 plus 4. Pause the video, apply PEMDAS, and drop your answer in the comments below. If you found this video helpful, hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss another math challenge. See you in the next one.